Product type: vehicle brake pad. Package dimensions: 9.1 L by 6.2 W by 2.0 H. Country of origin: China. Package weight: 3.6 lbs. Constantly modernizing our powerful devices to meet the demands of the modern user. Certainty starts here. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts are tested to rigorous standards and backed by GM, so you and your vehicle can go the distance. Top reviews from the United States. Great OEM pads. Purchased for rear of my 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. OEM part was perfect fit and it included the hardware. Just put on today and no noise. Can't go wrong with genuine OEM parts, and the price was less than aftermarket at local parts store.